Hello everybody, this is Jorge Luis Porchila, and today's video is part of the English phonetics course. Today I'm going to explain the vowel sounds. To start with, I'm going to explain the short vowels. In these slides, you can see the sound, the examples, the tongue position, and the height of the tongue. In this case, it's for letter and scent. The next one is her for hand, cat. This one is for love, fun. Continue with book, put. The next one is lot, want. Next one is women, again. So that was all for the short vowels. I'm going to start with the long. This one is E for neat, team. This is sound for learn, work. This is the O for law, talk. This is foot, cool. This is heart, bath. And to finish the presentation, I'm going to explain a little bit the diphthong vowels. This one is clear, fear. This one is there, care. Continue with A for rain, escape. This is the O for employ, yoy. This is I for my or flight. This is O for whole, alone. And to finish with, we have O for round, mouth. So that was all. Thank you for watching.